Alright, so here we have it, my '03 Tahoe. It is a 5.3 liter flex fuel piece of junk. No, just kidding, it's actually a pretty good vehicle. Today we are going to be putting in a Borla exhaust system for it. So I'll throw some sounds in there so you guys can get a feel for it and see what you think. Move the camera around a little bit, see if it'll maybe help the sound or make a different noise. Okay, as soon as these cars pass, I'm going to see if I can't get a 0 to 60 time. There's just a little incline in front of us, but it shouldn't matter too much. See if we can't get a baseline or see if it makes any different noises and stuff like that. There's the sound idling, very quiet. I'm going to put it down, rev it up a little bit. Hopefully I can get this sound right. Okay, I unwrapped all the goodies, just laid them out here. Give people a quick feel of maybe what everything looks like in case you're shopping. So you cannot get a single pipe, but that's kind of a cool view. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully it's lit up enough. See if I can get some sun in there. Pretty cool.